The last warehouse sale at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet in Chipley, Florida went so well that the manager said, "Let's do it again." So WestPoint Home is now offering huge discounts on many name brand items. Sheets, towels, pillows, and household accessories, all at significant discounts, and these prices have to be seen to be believed. Huge discounts on some of our best values for the extended weekend, Friday, March 1st through Monday, March 4th. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost of the big box stores, with name brands including Southern Tide, Izod, Martex, and Velux. From blankets and throws to plush comforters, bath towels and memory foam pillows, flannel sheets, shower curtains, and comforters, all at low prices. Now is one of the best opportunities to give your home a spring makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet Spring Warehouse Sale, Friday, March 1st through Monday, March 4th. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. And let the savings begin.